This is the kHelfer electric spin scrubber. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the quick start guide and a full manual. Charging cable, USB to USB-C. You see there are four brush heads right here. You have a pointy one, nice for getting into corners and stuff like that. Really nice bristles on these. You have the domed one. You have a large brush head and a slightly domed smaller head, which is also really nice like that. Over here, this is the battery end of it and where you control it from. And here is the head of it right here. You attach whatever brush you want to it. And here is an extension pole. Let me tell you a little bit about it, then I'll show you how it goes together, and then of course we'll give it a test. You have a 90-minute battery on here, so you can be cleaning for up to 90 minutes. That should be more than plenty for your average weekly clean, and if you're going to be scrubbing that long, you might have other issues, but it'll last for you. It'll probably go several weeks before actually needing to be recharged, so that's really nice. The head of it has an adjustable angle. I'll show you that in a moment. And this has 3 speeds on it as well. Most of these out here are 2-speed and they run kind of slow. This one has 3 speeds. It runs at 400 RPM on low, 500 RPM on high, and then it has a turbo mode where it runs at 600 RPM. It's 21 inches without the extension pole when you put it together like that. With the extension pole, you can go from 37 inches, and then this extends to go to 48 inches. And the unit is IPX7 waterproof. So let me show you how this goes together. If you don't want to use the extension piece, no problem, just leave it out. Charge port's right here, thing you can hang it with right there. And we'll get the head of it, and here's how it goes. You see it's kind of angled right there, and a hole with a button. Real easy, just goes together, press the button, snaps in to lock. Now the head of it right here, you can use it straight like this, or pull the little release, and it'll lock in at kind of a 45, and then a 90. So you have 3 different positions of it right there. Really nice, so you don't have to bend down and work so hard. Here are the buttons, and you get a display. So press the power button, it turns on. The green ring is showing you the speed. That's low, where it's kind of halfway around. The number is the battery life in percentage. Press again, you get high, and here's the turbo button. Press that, green circle blinks, and it runs at turbo speed. Press the button again for low, and off. So that's nice and easy to release it. Press the button, wiggle and pull, and it comes off. Now you can put the extension piece on. Okay, so just like that, press the button, click it together, and now the head of this goes in over here. That clicks in. Can't be easier than that. And then right there, you pull that, and it extends out to give you a nice long pull like that. Really nice and easy. And your brush head just snaps right on. And take this here, it's sort of like hexagonal shaped. Just work it around till it kind of goes, and then push, and it goes on. Let's go ahead and test it out. So if I wanted to clean this right here in my tub, for example, I just got some spray stuff here. You can use any kind that you want. We'll spray that down right there. Once you do that, leave it sit on there for a while. Let it work in, do its job. Give it a couple of minutes, then come back, scrub it. Okay, I'm all set here. I have the angle set to 45 degrees. That's going to kind of help me in here. This is on low. Real nice and easy. Works with me. Get all that soap scum and gunk and stuff off of there. Maybe we'll go ahead and make that straight. That might actually work a little bit better. Yeah, that actually works a little better for me in this particular application. And down here would be good for the 45 degree. Make that nice and easy. And there we go. And then you can always go to turbo for really tough jobs. And of course, the job that nobody likes doing. I got some of this stuff over here. I don't like this particular one. I'm not going to buy it again. But we'll go ahead, squirt some of that in. If it doesn't work, I have some nicer stuff that definitely will. You can get up under the rim there. Leave that sit, let it work itself in, then we'll scrub it. All right, let's give this a shot. I'm going to start on low. If we need more power, you know, we got it. We'll turn that on. I have the round brush head on here. We'll just get some of the liquid and cleaner. Oh, that's doing good, but you know, I think we're going to kick it up to high. That'll get that ring out. You know, we all get that in there. Get up under the rim, which is real nice. Work it around like that. And for my particular cleaning tasks today, it does not appear that I'm going to need the turbo mode, which is great. Keep that in reserve for those really tough jobs. But that's going to do it. All around, a really nice electric spin scrubber from kHelfer. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. A royal flush.